Welcome to the Northwest Adventure. Today we're headed east to the North Cascades, and specifically Washington Pass, with an elevation of 5,477 feet. It's the highest mountain pass in the state of Washington. So if you want to get away from the crowd, this is the place to go. I spend quite a bit of time here shooting astrophotography. So when you're headed on this highway, just be aware for MP 163. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the like. I'm in my first snowfall of the season. This is the place to go. Yeah. I'm on State Route 20, North Cascades Highway in Washington State. Do you remember Harry and the Hendersons? Yeah, Bigfoot lives here. All it takes is a few slow vehicles, an RV, some motorhomes, and people become speed demons. Do not miscalculate the Hairpin Curve. So once you arrive safely to the spot, kick back, relax, enjoy it. However, keep your eyes open and do not consider wearing any type of headphones out here. Nature is unforgiving and she don't play, so pay attention if you're planning to make it to the next day. So before I get to the North Cascades Highway, I always stop by the mud pit in Burlington. And now that I've made it down by the river, the Skagit River, that is, Beachy and I have been coming down here for years. Our intent today is to show you what this place is like. So if you're in the Burlington area, check it out. This is the R.G. Cheersma Park, I believe it's called. Can't miss it. Jump in, put your seatbelt on, grab the oh-shit handle, and let's go. So I'm locked in 4 high, cruising in 3rd gear, and traction control off. One thing I learned when I was a teenager, when you're in the mud, drive it like you stole it. Once you start going slow, taking your time, that's when you get stuck. Just learn how to work the gas, and you'll be fine. And now that we've been riding shotgun together for the last few minutes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and smash the like. And there she is, Mellow Yellow, my 06 Luxe Adventure. And she loves to get dirty. Do you? Which rig do you drive, and how does it do in the mud? Do you even have mud where you live? And the answer is no, for some of you. So what I'm going to do now is kind of walk this little trail, go back, and see if I can make it to the end. But I know for a fact I cannot at this time of year. It goes back a block or two, takes you to kind of a gravelly beach. Definitely impassable right now for my rig with 35s, and if there are other rigs with me, oh hell yeah, I'd be the first one to lead the way. And if I got stuck, if I get a winch, I connect to a tree, I pull myself out. Woo! Slippery! Win-win. So when you grow up in the Pacific Northwest, this place only gets 57 clear days a year. The rest of the time it's wet, damp, and rainy. So yeah, we do a lot of cruising through the mud. Shout out to the H2 lovers in the house. This trail is smoking. Alright, now that we've had a bunch of fun, we're able to get out in the mud, make a big mess, I need to get to my photo location and set up for some late night astrophotography. With that said, let me leave you with this. Drive it like you stole it. Thanks for watching today's episode of the Northwest Adventure. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, ring the bell, and make my day. Stay blessed, y'all.